Beryl is the first hurricane of the 2024 Atlantic season, with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour with stronger gusts, according to a 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time update from the National Hurricane Center. The hurricane is located about 720 miles east-southeast of Barbados, moving west at 22 miles per hour, and is expected to continue to strengthen before reaching the Windward Islands early Monday. Beryl is now the first rapidly intensifying storm of the year, having accelerated from 35 miles per hour to 75 miles per hour in less than 24 hours. Rapid intensification is defined as a wind increase of 30 knots, 35 miles per hour, or more in a 24-hour period. The center warned earlier on Saturday that the storm was likely to develop into a dangerous major hurricane as it approaches the Windward Islands Sunday night or Monday. It brings a risk of heavy rainfall, hurricane-force winds and dangerous storm surge and waves to the central and western Caribbean. Beryl is expected to rapidly strengthen and be a major hurricane when it reaches the Windward Islands late Sunday night or Monday, bringing destructive hurricane-force winds and life-threatening storm surge, warns the center. The hurricane's early arrival is unusual. The average date for the first hurricane is August 11th. The storm has been intensified by exceptionally warm ocean temperatures, driven by planet-warming fossil fuel pollution. Beryl could lash parts of the Lesser Antilles, the arching chain of islands that form a broken barrier between the open Atlantic and the Caribbean Sea, by the end of the weekend. A hurricane warning is in effect for Barbados and hurricane watches have been issued for St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Grenada. Tropical storm watches have been issued for Martinique and Tobago. It's rare for tropical systems to form and track east of the Lesser Antilles in June. That this formed so early in the season, and in this part of the Atlantic, is a sign of the hyperactive hurricane season to come, according to research from Phil Klotzbach, a hurricane expert and research scientist at Colorado State University. Normally, ocean temperatures aren't warm enough in this region in June and July to help tropical systems thrive. That's hardly the case this year, and one of the reasons behind record-high hurricane season forecasts over the past few months. Ocean temperatures remain close to the off-the-chart highs being set this time last year in the area where the storm is tracking through and are currently at levels more commonly found in August and September. It's a small slice of a bigger problem. Ocean temperatures across the globe and the Atlantic were record warm for over a year, driven upward by planet-warming fossil fuel pollution and in part by El Niño. This system is not alone. There are two other areas being monitored by the National Hurricane Center for development, including one in the same area of the Atlantic where this system formed and another in the southwest Gulf of Mexico.